The 5 products can be said to be all-inclusive. This is the Xiaomi mechanical hard drive, Xiaomi power bank, Xiaomi mouse, and Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker. Here is a Redmi 4 phone. Let's start directly. Oh no, delivery. Great strength produces miracles. The craftsmanship of Xiaomi is good, and the adhesion is better. This leather is indeed softer than ordinary ones. There's also a cover here. Can't tear it up. Tearing it ruins the sense of ceremony. The way to unbox this phone is different from others. It opens vertically like this. It really has a sense of ceremony. There's a card pin here. What's this shape? Does anyone know? It's a triangle symbol. Let's open and see. Wow, you might criticize Xiaomi's quality control, but you definitely can't knock Xiaomi's co-branded products. Wow, man. The craftsmanship is very exquisite. There's a matte finish on top, and the edges don't have the matte finish. Under different lighting, you can see a very reflective material. Let's put it back and look here. This is a phone case. It should be a phone case. Wow. 3. Hey, is it red? The previous Harry Potter collaborations used to be blue. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Wow. This design is so bold, man. This side is also golden, with Harry Potter written on it. Wow. This design really stands out. This phone case completely overcame the phone's issues, you could say. Let's continue unboxing. This is a card with a deer on it. Does anyone know what skill this is? I remember knowing it while playing the game, but I haven't watched this movie. Redmi, in capital letters, Redmi. This hand of mine is holding a phone. Wahaha. Bro, 2 completely different contrasting colors. Wow. The middle frame is black, but it's not glossy. It doesn't attract fingerprints, see? It is a frosted metal frame, and the texture is unbelievably good. I thought the back panel would have a very plasticky feel, but to my surprise, it has layers. This time, it's not just a single shape. Every back panel you touch has different materials and feels, with the top being glossy and the bottom having agey frosted finish. Oh my goodness! Then when you touch this text, it's also a glossy material, which is very strange. And in the middle of the camera, they made a split. This split isn't just a shape. You can see it's a physical protruding material. Wow! Then the front of the phone is very rounded. You can see the whole corner design is very, very similar to Apple's. You can hardly tell them apart from the front. Line up the front, and its corners look even more similar. Wow, it's really very smooth. And this time I chose this black one. Its black edges seem a bit thicker, and the standard white one looks more sleek. The chin at the bottom of the screen is a bit wider than the top, but honestly it's not very noticeable. Next, let's put on this bold phone case. Wow, it's really snug, dude. You can see the back of this phone case is made of a fabric material. Oh my, the sound, that kind of fabric material, the friction is really high. You could say that holding this phone case, the feel, right. Dude, I feel a bit uncomfortable with the color extending to the front. I think the side is fine, but there's no need to extend it to the front. However, everyone has their own preferences. Personally, I feel this phone case affects the overall look of my phone. Set the phone aside, let's take a look at the charger below. It also has a black cord, this black Harry Potter style charging. Electrical appliances, hey, wait, there's still a lot of stuff in this phone case packaging. Hey, here's a specially customized Harry Potter Redmi 4 Pro manual. It feels quite innovative, and the paper texture is quite nice. Over here, there are several stacks of these small stamps. You can see they all have the appearance of a stamp and can be torn off and stuck on the stamps. Hey, this is quite interesting. Carefully wrap this packaging back up. Wow, then put the cover on again. The sense of ceremony is really overwhelming, and the damping feeling is very comfortable. Let's look at the next Magic Wand power bank. How to open this. 3, 2, 1, ding ding. Is it this small? Dude, I thought you were big. Hey, this is a power bank with a built-in cable. Let's open it and take a look. Ding ding ding. Wow. The entire surface is printed with this kind of, through the reflection of light, you can see these diamond-shaped patterns inside. Wow, they're on the back too, which is quite interesting. Then it's a power bank with a built-in cable. You can see, just plug it in and pull it out. Hey, and it's ready to go. 5,500 loop, and there's a C port and an A port on the back, about half the size of a phone. Quite interesting. Wow, the manual is also customized, like a little magic book. Dude, isn't this free? Let's put it back. Perfect, let's look at the next one. What's this? The Xiaomi mouse feels a bit light. Let's put in some effort. Wow. Finally tore it open. This is a small square box that's just pulled open. Quite small. Tear off the packaging.